Did you know that sea moss, also known as nature's multivitamin, is packed with health benefits? Let's dive in. Sea moss, or Irish moss, is a type of red algae loaded with nutrients. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is a staple in many cultures. Sea moss is a powerhouse of nutrients. It supports your body with essential minerals and vitamins that promote overall health. Boosts immunity. Rich in antioxidants, sea moss strengthens your immune system. Improves gut health. Its prebiotic fibers feed good gut bacteria, aiding digestion. Supports skin health. Packed with collagen and vitamins, sea moss hydrates and rejuvenates skin. Enhances thyroid function. High in iodine, it helps regulate thyroid hormones. Boosts energy levels. Iron and B vitamins in sea moss keep fatigue at bay. Sea moss is versatile. Make a gel and add it to your favorite foods or even use it as a face mask. While sea moss is generally safe, consult a doctor if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medications. Don't overdo it. Too much iodine can affect thyroid health. From boosting energy to nourishing your skin, sea moss is a game changer for your health. Have you tried it? Share your experiences in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.